We often wear jewelry such as necklaces, earrings, or rings to show luxury and nobility. So what materials are the rings usually made of? You probably all know they are made from gold, silver, and even diamonds. In addition, the rings are also made from things you don't expect. So let's find out what those things are. Rings are crafted from the unexpected. Here are two hexagon screws, and what do you think will happen to them? The metal worker first marks a number of points and then takes a special saw to cut the edge of the screw. Take only the middle part and then continue to grind. We see that after grinding, the screw has revealed the original shape of a ring. He continues to work on the small screw by grinding, hammering, and cutting with very small items to create a diamond set detail. The result is a screw that, after being passed through the hands of a metal worker, has turned into an extremely luxurious diamond ring. To make a ring is not an easy thing. It has to go through the stages of cutting, sharpening, honing, and from the smallest details. If to compare this ring made from screws with a gold ring with diamonds, it must be difficult to distinguish with the naked eye. Not only a screw, one can also make a ring from a coin, and this is the process. An old coin, after lightening, is put into a mold and punched a small hole in the middle, followed by processes such as using high-temperature torch to remove impurities and using expansion tools to make a men's ring. Finally, through many stages, the ring is completed. It is very beautiful with the embossed text on the surface and the patterns on the inside of the ring. It can be said that if making a ring from cast silver or gold, it takes a lot of time to make engraved patterns on it, but with an old coin, it is possible to make a very cost-effective ring, elegant part. items that are superfluous to us, but for some it can be reborn in another form. These rings too, ignoring the inherent nature, it has become a jewelry that many people dream of. It was a surprise when the coin turned into a pair of couple rings. The metallurgist first cut the outer part of the coin to make a men's ring, then cuts another inner ring into a female ring, then grind to make the ring shiny. The female ring will be more complicated because of the addition of precious stones. The foot part of the gem is also taken from the rest of the coin. The process of attaching the stone needs to be very careful to ensure its stability. Couple rings symbolize couples who love each other, so a pair made from one coin will also be very meaningful. Not only from a coin or a screw, and you will be more surprised to know that the ring is also made from metal waste. Make no mistake, it is metal waste, specifically oxidized iron pieces. You can dispose of metal scraps if you find it in your home, but if it passes through the hands of a metal worker, it will become a different story. A new look that we absolutely cannot imagine. Through stages such as cutting, grinding, and filing, this piece of metal waste has been turned into an extremely beautiful stone ring by the metal worker. Not every waste is a waste. We can recycle it, and especially metal. We cannot imagine that a piece of iron that is oxidized to black can become a sparkling ring. Only experienced metal workers can do this. We see to make a ring needs a lot of tools from big to small, the smallest details to carve patterns or grinding tools. If you are inexperienced, you must be very careful when using them. Today's video is over. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to receive the earliest notifications about my videos. Likes, comments, shares are also the motivation for me to make better videos. And don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. See you again!